Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Today we're making a cocktail with some ginger and a paintbrush. We need to kick off and prepare our ginger. So just get yourself a couple of cubes. You can put in as much or as little ginger as you like. Okay, muddle that down until you release all the gingery juices and flavors. A large shot of Citron Vodka. And then we're gonna have half a shot of Cointreau, or if you have triple sec, that'll be fine as well. Next, some freshly squeezed lemon juice straight from the bottle. Now you can squeeze your lemon juice directly from lemons if you choose to do so, that's totally fine. And to balance it all out, some vanilla syrup, because why not? And that's what the recipe says, so that's why it's vanilla syrup. Now this is where that paintbrush comes into play. What we've got is some edible glue, and you can buy this off of Amazon or most food bakery shops. And you get yourself a paintbrush, and then you can just paint some nice little design. Now I've just got some granulated sugar. If you can use icing sugar, you can use any sugar you want really, and it should just stick. Yes. We want a fine strain and catch all those gingery pieces. Oh, yes. Just to garnish, we're gonna put some dried lemon wheel on the side. And that is our gingered lemon drop, yes. Which tastes absolutely awesome. Big thank you to all these legends who support me over on Patreon. Thank you to everyone for watching. I really hope you do enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious cocktails. And until next week, I'll see you then.